House Bill 5546.
Thank you, Chairman, honorable members of the committee, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, House Bill 5546 requires the Attorney General to submit an annual gun crimes report to the Rhode Island General Assembly. I think that it's important. As you can see, for the past 5 years, we have been inundated with legislation regarding firearms and regarding issues with our Second Amendment rights. I think it's important for us to, number one, before we make our own decisions as to what laws are going to be passed or not, we need to find the disposition of the cases that appear before the courts on a regular basis, on an annual basis, to see, number one, if we are effectively upholding and prosecuting the laws that currently exist on our books here in the state of Rhode Island, and to see what might be possible solutions for effective gun control or gun legislation. I think it's important for us to try and get the facts. I know that a lot of legislation is sometimes emotionally and politically driven, and I think we need to sit back and understand the facts in all the matters before we go ahead and make decisions regarding removing a person's right that is constitutionally given to us. So I am not an expert as well. I am here to introduce this bill. I just think it's important. Many of you know that I have had in the past run some firearm education classes. I am not a gun owner. And I just think it's important for everybody to know and educate themselves before they make a decision on things that matter so much to so many people. So I can try to answer questions for you. I'm sure there'll be other people here to testify on this bill. Thank you.
Representative McEntee.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Rep. Casey, I think this is a great bill. It would be good to have that information for us. But the other thing I was thinking, if we could know how many, I don't want to know names and all, but how many people actually have the license to carry a concealed weapon in Rhode Island? That might be something else that would be helpful to the committee.
It's possible that somebody in this room has those figures. I do not. I do not.
We'll try to get an answer to that for you, Representative McEntee.
Maybe sub-A it to include that. I mean, that would be information that the Attorney General should have, right?
Correct.
Yes.
2015, there were 3,577 Rhode Island active commits, 0.34% of the population.
0.34% of the population.
Thank you.
Okay, any further questions for Representative Casey? Thank you, Representative.
Thank you.